So we're bringing that bucket, babe.
I get, yeah.
Where you gonna put it?
Can you put that in the truck? Or is it too tall? I don't know if it'll fly out or not.
Well, if it's heavy, it's not gonna fly.
Put the cover back on. Oh, I can't. It won't fit in there.
You know what, CJ can swim here. We will bring this one because when you do that, ang laki. Tingnan natin dito mga kaibigan, anong mayroon ditong mga prutas. May mga prutas ba kaya dito? Ah, you changed the battery, babe?
No, he's just taking them home.
Oh.
I bought new batteries.
Oh, wow. No, I cannot carry that.
I know.
That's heavy. Why do you have it there? You charge?
I brought him up here because I thought we were going to put him in, but he's going to do something different. I'll put him in another time.
And how you can put the big bucket?
I don't know.
Put it in there on the top?
I might. I don't know. Not worried about it right now.
Daming puno si ang Lolo Kano dito. Ang daming mga puno sila dito. Ano to? Ang mga halaman, oh. Daming halaman. Ay, mga kaibigan, oh. Yan yung lugar ni Lolo Kano. Ano to? Hala ka. Parang ginagamit natin to, ah. Nalala nyo yun, mga kaibigan? Ah, nalala ko ito. Ito yung ginamit natin, lalo na sa bata. Nalala nyo yun na pang bracelet sa bata? Ito yun. Ayun, kunin ko muna. Ah, bracelet sa bata. Iwan ko kung alala nyo to, pero kami, ay nahulog pa. Tinutusok ito, ginawang bracelet. Mayroon pala sila dito ganito. Ayan. Nalala nyo ba ito, mga kaibigan? Ah, oo. Ito, bracelet sa bata. Magandang umaga po, tanghali. Ayan. Oh, diba? Bracelet ito eh. Ayan. Ayan. Pula ang kulay. Oo, ito po yun. Ginagawang porsila sa bata. Oo, hala, magawa nga ako nito para kay CJ. Kaso lang hihilahin ni CJ. O, meron pala ito dito. Maghanap ako kay gawa ko ng bracelet. Ayan, itago ko dito. Ay, ang dami sa ibabaw. Hala. Ayan, daming mga kahoy dito sa kay Lolo ni Agoy-Agoy. Ayan, ang dami sa ibabaw. Oh. Manguha tayo. Ay, mga kaibigan. Hindi natin maabot ba? Ang dami, oh! Ayan po, gamot sa ubo yan, ang dahon. O talaga? Gamot sa ubo ang dahon. Ayan, oh, porsila sa bata, oh. Sus ko, ito yung mga porsilas natin noon, nung kabataan natin. So, tusukin lang po siya, mga kaibigan. Patuyuin muna to eh. Maganda po to. Ito yung gawin natin porsilas. Ay, ang ganda oh. Sabi ko, hala. Kasi, yun oh. Mayroon kasi ditong itutusok. Oh, ayan. Ato. Oh. Kasi kahit saan magpunta yung bata, hindi siya mausog. Ito yung gamit namin sa probinsya. Anong ginagawa nila dito? Ay, busy ba nila? Marami doon mga kaibigan. Manguha muna kayo. Tingnan muna natin anong ginagawa ng mga taong to dito. Ah, ilalagay ni lipot battery.
Watch out, watch your foot.
Yeah, I seen it. Can I look?
Sure.
Wala ka.
He's gonna get jumper key. Looks like he trimmed the motor.
Wow. He put a battery?
No, not yet.
Ayan si Lolo. Mayroong si lumboy dito. Mayroon silang lumboy. Nung pumunta ako dito, nung matagal na nanguna ako, tamang-tama may lumboy. Yung kinakain. Ito yung dahon niya mga kaibigan, no? Ito ba yon? Ito? Ito yung dahon niya eh. Nung nakuha ko yung ang dami ditong mga halaman. Oh. Oh, yun ba yun? Wala na. Yun lang nakuha ko da. Saan kayong iba? Pula po siya, no? Naghanap na tuloy. Ito, lumboy po, oh. Ito, yan, oh. Dahon ng lumboy. Pero wala po silang lumboy ngayon. Walang bunga. Ito yung ginagamit pang sigarilyo sa probinsya. Ayun. Kaya nga sabi ko, sabihan mo ako ha pag mayroon po yan na munga. Kasi pupunta ako. Malayo kasi itong kanila eh. Hindi kami masyado dito pumupunta. Ayan oh. Ayan. Nung bata pa kami, ito yung aming ginagamit kapag magdudumi kami. Daming hagunoy sa amin. Naghahanap tayo ng yung dagdagan natin yung porcelas. Ay, ayan. Oh, ang dami dito. Ang daming lumboy, oh. Alam niyo yon? So ngayon mga kaibigan na, hanap tayo ng porcelas. Ito, oh, ayan oh, ang dami oh. Oh, nalala ko talaga yan kasi sa amin, tabi, manghingi ako. Oh, ayun, itim. Para po siyang ladybugs. Oh, nahulog na. Ayan. Oh, ganyan. So, ilagay ito sa... Kaya tuhugin ko mga kaibigan at gagawa ako ng necklace. Maganda din ito sa bata. Pero hindi na ito pwede kay CJ. Kasi nga kinakain. Ah, may malaki oh. May malaki. Ayan po mga kaibigan ang kinuha ko. Tuhugin lang to eh. Para itong beads. Patutuyuin ko muna to ng masyado. Ay, tuhugin ko muna bago ko tutuyuin kay matigas to eh. Ayan yung bracelet. Ayan. Sus, nakakita man ako. Ayan. Maganda ito kasi pula. Ang kulay. Oh, di ba? Kamo, naka-experience na ba kayo nito? Naranasan nyo ba to na nilagyan kayo na inyong mga nanay? Oh, ang dami hala. So, tuhugin ko to pag uwi sa bahay. Kinukuha ito mga kaibigan, yung hindi pa sila tuyo masyado. Hindi pa nagbukas. Kasi kung bukas na, matigas. Tapos, ibibilad na sa araw. Sus, napakadami pala dito. Di ay, oh. Ah, ang nguyang yang tawag sa amin. Oh, hindi ko ito sa tatay ni Chris. Sa tatay-in-law. Sa binan ba? Nanguha ako mga kaibigan kay gawin kong necklace. Gawin kong necklace. Sus, napakadami oh. Iwan ko kung kaya pa ba to. Sana may walang ano eh. Walang yung hindi bukas. Mahirap na tong siguro. Iwan ko. Tignan natin. Sus, wala talaga akong plastic. Uy, wala sa plano. Hindi ko nga alam na meron pala tong mga to dito. Hihilahin lang natin. Nangalaglag nang yung iba. Nangalaglag. Kumusta po sa inyong lahat? Oh. Manok, lamok sa tanghali. Hinatid namin yung di ba kanina na masura ako, nakakuha ako ng painting. Hinatid ko dito kasi gusto ni Lula. Nagustuhan niya. Sabi ko, gusto mo ba ito? Sabi niya, gusto ko yan. Binigay ko sa kanya yung 2 painting na nakuha ko sa basura. Ayun na sila, agoy-agoy oh. Ano na sila, lumabas na. Ang dami po nila dito mga puno eh. Ang daming lilinisin nila dito mga kaibigan oh. Ayun, yun yung bahay nila doon sa kabila. Ayun. Ang lawak-lawak dito. Dito ang maganda mag-farming. Dito maganda ang magfa-farm. Pwede ka dito mag-alaga ng kabayo. Pero wala silang kabayo. Wala silang kabayo mga kaibigan. Wala silang hayop. Kasi busy man yan sila. Kahit mga matanda na, dami pa rin ginagawa. Pero malinis dito, hindi po siya puro mga puno. Ito lang sa gilid. Sa gilid lang to kasi nga alam nyo na dami din mga hayop ano. So kailangan din nilang malinis ang kanilang paligid na malayo sila sa mga hayop. Ayan. Hala. Oh. Magawa ako ng necklace kay ito yung ating memories. Yung maliit pa tayo. Naalala ko. Maliit pa tayo. Hindi pala. Ito pala yung kanyang dahon. Mali pala yung pinakita ko kanina ng klaseng dahon. Ang dahon niya is parang malunggay. Ganito oh. Yan yung dahon niya. Sus, yung iba talaga malaki. Malaki ang seeds. Tama na to. Dami na. Maganda yan pang... Ano na sila oh. May inaayos. Mayroon pa dito oh. Ayun oh, pula. Mabilis lang kasi siya. Sabi ko, huy, parang familiar siya eh. Ay, ito lang pala oh. Ayun. Hello sa inyong lahat. Sana'y ayos lang kayo. Magandang umaga sa bagong gising. Walang trabaho si Kano ngayong araw na to dahil holiday po dito mga kaibigan. Kahit holiday, ang dami din ginagawa ni Chris sa bahay. Kami, nandito din kami, bumisita. Okay. At saka pinuntahan namin yung apo sa lola sa tuhod ni Agoy-Agoy. Dumaan din kami doon. Hala. Ang dami na. Si Chris, oh. Ingat kayo mga kaibigan. Dito yung kapitbahay pala. Mayroon po silang poste dito ng kuryente. Oh. So, ingat ka dyan. May poste dyan ng kuryente. Ayun, kapitbahay. Ang layo ng kapitbahay nila. O sige mga kaibigan. Oh, where are you guys going? Huh? Oh, you're coming to me. I wanna ride.
What? Wanna go for a ride?
Yeah.
I'll sit here.
Yeah, you can sit there. I'll sit in the back.
Hold on, Mom.
Hold on. You're going.
Crazy drivers. There you go. We'll go over and look at the pond.
Oh, we're going to see the
Then
pond.
You can see the trees.
Nice.
You can see how low the pond is.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it is.
Isn't that nice?
Nice breeze.
Very nice breeze. What do you see, CJ?
He's good. He's hanging well.
What's on the back over there? There's no pond in there?
Where?
In there? Can we go there? I never see that
You
area.
never see. All right, let me turn around and go.
Yeah, we can.
I was just going to show you the pond and then we'll go.
Ah, okay.
See, one of the big trees fell down. We got to cut it up.
Oh. Oh. So what happened to the fishes?
Well, the fish are up
Fish.
inside there. They're
Ah.
living. They like that.
Yeah, they like that. I know,
You
mayroon
see
silang pond
see the
dito.
water lilies down there?
Oh.
That's what I wanted to take down.
Yeah, I see what there you have a lot of water lilies.
Yeah, I got plenty of water.
You have plenty of water lilies.
See the lizard?
Uh-huh. The lizard.
Those are the
Ayan,
ones. They have a purple head and an
Yeah.
orange tail. And when it's mating season, the tail turns white.
Oh,
Yeah, I know.
that's fun.
It is funny.
Very nice breeze. Do you have a boat for the pond?
Yes, there's one over there.
Okay. Oh.
See, these are the trees that we had to pull out to build the barn.
Oh.
So we cut them down, but
Okay.
we never got rid of them. We were gonna
Oh,
we were
you have a
gonna-
lot of
yeah, there's a lot of
space
back
in here.
there. Yeah. See, and there's more
Laki
back
ng space
there.
dito.
Behind those trees,
Uh-huh.
there's a drainage
I see a
canal.
car right there.
See
That's
that?
neighbor's car? That's the neighbor car?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Somebody does live back there.
Okay.
I don't know who anymore.
That's a lake behind there?
There's
Or a canal?
A canal.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go see my favorite tree.
Oh, so yeah. We're on adventure.
We're having an adventure. Be careful because this branch might hit you.
Yes.
Just grab a hold of
Be
it.
careful. Your hands. Your face.
Yeah, I
There
got
you go. I got it.
it. Yeah, but it's hooked on my watch.
You want me to cut it? Okay, I got it.
Thank you.
Okay, I got it. You be careful when you Whoa, whoa.
We used to come back here with the go-karts
Uh-huh.
and use that as a hill.
Right.
This is my favorite tree. Look how pretty that oak tree is.
Yeah.
Big old oak tree.
Ah. They call it oak tree?
That's an oak.
Oh.
This one right
It's
here
nice.
is an acacia tree.
Acacia. Acacia? Acacia.
Acacia.
In the Philippines, we call it acacia.
Acacia?
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay, wait.
You got it?
This is acacia?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Acacia. Oh.
Now it's that.
Yes.
You gotta put
Acacia.
on it with over. This is another oak tree right
Oak
here.
tree. Ang daming oak tree.
I agree with the way the Filipinos say it. It looks, when it's in writing, it looks like acacia.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll go back on the back side of the
Yeah,
line.
on that side so we can see the water lilies.
Yep. And you'll see the boat that's tied to a tree.
Ah, so it doesn't fly?
Well, it's not even in the water. Right
Oh,
now.
I see.
It was, but the water went away. Now the boats are by the tree.
Right.
Now our hawks live up in these trees.
Oh, the hawk.
The hawks live over here.
Oh. Wow.
See, they have a big pond over there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They have a big pond. Did you guys make the pond? Oh, there's a duck. There's a duck on your pond.
On our pond.
Yeah, there's one in there.
Oh, I see him.
You see that? Ah.
That's a mallard.
Oh.
That's a male mallard duck. The females are just brown. They don't have
Ah.
that pretty coloring on their head.
Oh.
I'm gonna move forward, and then you can't see them right now. The trees are in. Don't get off.
Stay here, Goy. Sit down, please. We're not getting off yet.
Yeah, the ride's not over.
No!
CJ, come on.
That's my necklace.
CJ.
Is that the key?
CJ.
Victor.
Okay.
Yeah, you pay for the whole ride. The squirrels are going crazy through this tree. Up in the top. And
Oh.
these
Oh, they make.
over here.
Careful.
go
There's
back.
a branch. There's a branch.
These are bamboo.
Bamboo.
Lots of bamboo.
Yeah, those bamboo are small ones.
No, well, those are small. That guy back there is small.
I mean the
Ones on this side are small.
the one you have here are smaller. Is that yours or the neighbor's?
No, that's theirs.
And
We get the broken pieces. So we, like this right here, we have to come pick it up.
Ooh.
See, the palm trees are trying to grow back.
The palms, seeds. Did you plant those trees?
Nope,
Okay.
we didn't plant anything.
They just grow.
Yep. I'm going to. We want to cut up the acacia trees because they're invasive.
When you go there, you need to have to bring a machete.
Yes. You're gonna have to show me how to use the machete. I go with my chainsaw.
Oh yeah, that's way better.
No, I think the machete would be better.
Wow.
Watch out.
Christiana.
That's okay. How about we go over on this side and look over here? There's a drainage canal over
There's a canal.
There's no water in it, but it's there.
What animals you can see here? What animals?
See the holes in the tree? The woodpeckers have been at
I see.
The woodpecker.
Yeah, the birds.
it.
a lot of
believe
birds.
It or not, That tree right there.
What?
I saw the
The one with a
woodpeckers.
hole in it.
Uh-huh.
Florida
Nana, I saw the woodpeckers in my school.
Oh yeah, you have woodpeckers?
Yes.
Oh yeah, they eat my papaya, the woodpecker. Is that the one with the something with the orange gray?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they eat my papaya. They make a
love
hole.
fruit. What you need to do is put out the bird seed and they'll stay away from it.
Ah, well, Chris said.
They like the black oily, I forget what they call it.
Yeah, we don't
They
have
like the
seeds
black
for them.
seeds. That'll keep them out of your papaya. What? I can't. I was going to go around.
He said we can go right on the other. Oh, they want to go to the barn.
Wow.
He wants to go. He want to ride with us to go to the barn.
Yeah, he does.
Chris can work. He can ride in the one seat on the back. See.
I'm driving away. Are you still on?
I am.
Okay.
I am. Grabe ang init dito. Sus, kung dito ako nakatira, ay... Yeah, Chris will walk. Or, kung dito ako nakatira, puno na ito ng... Taniman ko talaga ito ng mga niyog. Wow!
See where the motor is now?
Uh-huh. You
Tilt it up.
You tilt it. You need a... It's so hot. You need a hat.
I'm okay.
You
Now
sure?
we're done.
You're not gonna burn?
We're done.
Say hi to Dada.
Hi, Dada.
Ayan si
Hooked up
Dada.
and ready to go. License plate.
You don't want to ride, huh?
No, you're not fit here.
Yes, you would. We put him in
We're full.
old CJ.
Maglakad lang si Chris.
I want to go where the bobcat is, Mary.
Oh.
Where is the bobcat?
On the far garage. The carport.
Wow, adventure. Whoa.
We have a crazy driver.
We went to the back. We went there with her favorite trees
On
on
the
the
side.
acacia.
Okay. You don't want us to stay, right?
You can ride around and come back and get me.
Oh. We will drop our passenger.
See ya.
Oh, this is gas, right? Your car, this car is a gas, right?
Yes,
Gas.
This is gasoline.
Gasolina pala ito.
He already made sure that it has gas in it.
Ah, okay.
Otherwise, we'll all walk back. Oh, I guess I left you there. You could look in and see my car.
Oh, what is that?
We'll go back around.
You have a car where?
Inside the little garage.
This one?
Yes.
What's it?
Well,
What's?
the big garage is here. Then I told you there was a lawnmower garage.
Oh,
We'll go look.
okay. How about that one? How about that?
That's a trailer that
Trailer.
has, I don't know what all it has in it, but it's got stuff in it.
Mm-hmm.
And that's our little lawn trailer we use when we're
Right.
cutting up trees.
Right.
Limbs in.
Right.
Take them across the street. But we're gonna go over here.
You like the ride, Christiana? Wow. Whoa. It's running.
You must have started the podcast.
Right.
My little car is just in front of the bobcat if you want to go look.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you're gonna stay, you have to go.
You guys stay there, honey.
Sorry.
Okay.
We're
May car daw siya dito. Ah. Ah, okay. Wow. Meron silang ano, oh. Meron silang maganda to sakyan, oh. Sasakyan para doon sa labas. Ah, mga ano to, mga kaibigan, equipment sa labas. Ito pala yung sasakyan ni Nana, Lola. Oh, that's a cute car. That's a very cute car.
That's Mary's car.
Right.
You're gonna back that door into the... Yeah, I just went forward, back, just a little bit.
Meron silang dami equipment dito. Oh. Tingnan nyo nga, oh. Ayan, oh. Ito para sa labas to, mga kaibigan, sasakyan para maglinis sa labas kasi nga si Lolo lang kasi ang naglilinis sa kanilang yard. Ayan, oh. Si Lolo lang ang naglilinis. Wala silang binabayaran na maglilinis sa kanilang garahe. Oh, garahe, yard. Oh, what you doing? Let's go back. Let's go back. We're not going. Let's go. Here's CJ. Let's go back. We're gonna ride. Sakay. Go. Let's go. Lolo will cross the door. You need water? Okay. Yeah. Ayan, sinara na ni Lolo. Okay, let's go. Let's ride. Let's go. Ayan, ang dami nilang mga trailer kasi yun mga... Let's go. Go ride, CJ. CJ, come on.
You ready? Here he is. Come on up. Thank you. Oh, Pippi has to get on board too. You coming with us, Pippi?
Yeah.
It is hot. It's ridiculous.
It is hot,
It's
yeah.
gonna get hotter.
Yeah, I know.
We're not halfway yet.
Stand up here.
Well, right about
No,
that.
he's fine.
It's not even June.
It's nice breeze. Nice breeze. You like it, Agoy? We see a ducky on the pond.
A duck?
Ducky,
Yeah, nice.
the
Nice now,
tiny. Oh, it's right there.
Where?
Oh, on top of the lilies or stone.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
You must be eating the bugs up there.
Yeah, you need more rain.
Yes, we do. See, there's the boat. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
There's fern.
The what do you call that? What do you, pedal? Your pedal boat. It's right on the top.
Our orchid tree coming back.
Uh-huh.
See the ends on it? How they're growing new growth? On the
Yeah,
end?
yeah. What is that?
That's an orchid tree.
Orchid?
Yeah.
Really?
I'll show you a picture. When
Do they make flowers?
Yes. Beautiful.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
What?
Once or twice a year.
Yeah.
Orchid tree daw yan, mga kaibigan. Orchid tree. Ang dami nila ditong puno, oh. Kung pwede kang mag-ano dyan,
Just leave it there. I'll take
He said stay here. Okay.
Okay.
Whew. I need the shade.
We're gonna go in the house.
I need a diaper change.
Okay, I'll get the thing. Okay.
They're red.
Yes, we definitely
All right.
need water, all of us.
Okay, mga kaibigan. Tapos na ang ating... Bihisan ko muna si CJ. Ay, ano sa kabila pala yung ano. Ako ng tubig ni CJ. Painumin ko muna. Si Junior. Okay. Inom tayo ng tubig kay napaka... Ala ka? Ano to? Mayroon silang ano dito. Ayan. Okay po. Bye-bye muna. Kuha muna ako dito ng... Babay muna. Salamat po. Ma'am Caroline Ogali Oganza Viado. Thank you.